the Dwight Whyte coach of Harbour bicycle.
Alright, Mr. Whyte. Tough game against a Glenmuir team who came here, put the ball on the ground and played around. Do you think 2-0 loss? Do you think that scoreline really reflect the game?
Definitely not. Definitely not. But you know, it's football, and you need to put away your chances and can come back and you know.
Yeah. Later in the stage of the game, I see the number 15 came and look a bit tired. He got a lot of chance. How do you feel knowing that you could really get something from that one? The amount of chance that you guys thrown away.
Trust me, the number 15 is just a little piece of the pie compared to the amount of chance we get. But again, I say chances is very important, you know. And I look error, goalkeeping error. But that's a part of the game. But we need to go again and really good because all is not lost.
When you went down in the first half, what was the instruction to the players?
Actually, you know, to prevent the two-pass channels and catch them on the counter. It have been working, but unfortunately, again, we didn't put away our chances.
All right, coach. And well, see you next game, but I don't think it ends right there. A lot more to come from it. All right.
Okay.
All right.